Well, hey guys, it's Sunday. It's been a while. It's been quite a few weeks. It's rough going. This has been the worst month ever trying to do this project. I had Duke Power up here last Thursday and they just weren't interested. They fed me a bunch of verbatim. And I think you can figure out what that means. So they're not going to try to help me anytime soon. Living on the edge. No refrigerator for a month now. Doing canned goods. Trying to figure it out. Kind of like field ops. Living out of cans. However, without the fridge running, I got 3 propane tanks, 2 full, 1 half full. And I only use it for coffee and dinner. So I don't know. I don't know what the next day brings. You know, I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. But what I do know is I'm happy and healthy, and I wanted to check in, let everybody know I'm okay. Still surviving up here. Thankfully for me, I got Stefan down the road, and he texted me last night and was like, "Still got no fridge?" I'm like, "Yeah, man. Still got no fridge. It sucks." He goes, "Well, I'll bring you some eggs." You don't got to refrigerate those. So that's cool. You know, it doesn't hurt a thing to have a couple eggs every now and then. But it's pushing 4 o'clock. It's getting, you know, it's been 86 degrees. It's hot, it's stuffy, it's muggy. But it's better than freezing. When the rain lets up, I'm supposed to have a couple clear days. I'll do what I can. And then I got to move some money around, or else I'm not going to be able to afford to live. And I got some job offers. I'm going to check them out this week. But this is how it goes. This is the lowest, worst time I've had up here so far. I mean, really bad. Scrimping. So I hope everybody's doing happy and healthy. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm going to survive this thing. There's no turning back now. And I just gotta figure some things out. Hopefully next week I'll have a better report. Have a little injection of money and be able to do something. I don't need to build the whole thing. I just need to seal off what I got. You know what I mean? Because the winter's coming. It might be July, but let me tell you something. July, August, September pass fast. And all of a sudden it's cold. So I got to get my ducks in a row, and I'm going to be working on that. I hope everybody's good. I'll talk to you as soon as I can. And that's where I'm at.